Hey there, little learner. Welcome to this very special explainer. I am so excited you're here today. We're going to just dive right into this, okay? We are about to go on an absolutely amazing adventure together, and it's with some very special words. It's going to be fun, it's going to be super exciting, and you know what? Most importantly, it's going to make you an incredibly strong reader. So, are you ready to go on an amazing adventure? Seriously, take a big deep breath, wiggle those fingers, and get ready, because we're about to step into a whole new world where words help us do some pretty incredible things. Now, the really crucial point here is understanding exactly what kind of adventure we're actually on. Like, what exactly are sight words anyway? Well, think of them as magical keys that literally help you unlock books, stories, and just all kinds of fun things to read. I mean, imagine every single book you want to read is a giant treasure chest, right? These words are the magic keys that just pop that lid wide open. Okay, check this out. This is our entire map for today. We call it the magical list. Look at all those words organized right there into 4 columns. Now, I know, it might look like a whole lot of keys to collect right now, but hey, don't worry. We're going to take it one step at a time. I'm going to say each word nice and slow, and I want you to be my echo. Think you can say them with me? All right, to build up that reading power, it's time to practice together. This is the exact part where you get to take charge of the adventure. We are going to tackle that whole magical list as a team. But right before we start unlocking those words, here's a very important teacher tip for you and, well, whatever adult co-pilot is sitting right next to you today. Step 1, try to point at the screen with your finger as we say each word together. And step 2, say each word slowly. See, pointing actually helps your brain connect directly to the word, and going slow, well, that just makes sure we get it absolutely right. You ready? Let's go slow. All right, here's our first set of magic keys, words 1 to 10. Get that pointing finger ready. The word is the. Now you say it. Great! Here comes the next one. It is of. You're doing it. Now let's try and. Keep going. Look at this little letter all by itself. A. So good. Ready for this one? It's to. Nice job. Let's tackle in. Perfect. Moving right along to is. Absolutely amazing. How about you? You are a total star. Almost done with this group. That. Keep it up. And our final word in this group. It. Wonderful. You literally just unlocked your first 10 keys. Okay, let's keep this momentum going. Here are words 11 through 20. Get that finger ready again. The first word here is he. Super! Let's conquer the next one. Was. Wow, you're getting faster. Here comes a kind of tricky one. For. You got it. Let's tackle this one together. On. So smart. What do we have here? It's are. You're a total pro. Next is a short one. As. Way to go. Try this one. With. Keep going. And here we have his. Fantastic. Getting pretty close to the end of this list. They. Nice. And to finish off this round, a big capital letter I. Great word. You know, you are doing an absolutely incredible job navigating this whole adventure. Guess what? We're already halfway through our map. Let's conquer words 21 to 30. Finger ready? Here we go. We're starting off with at. So good. Let's try be. Perfect. Now for a slightly longer one. This. Amazing. Can you say have? You're a star. Look really closely at this one. From. Keep it up. Moving smoothly right along to or. Wonderful. How about one? Super. Check this out. Had. Oh man, you're getting so fast. Almost through this part of the map. By. Keep trying. And to finish off this round, word. So smart. I mean, just look at how many keys you're collecting. Okay, this is it. The final stretch. Words 31 to 40. You've totally got this. Ready? Here we go. The word is but. You're a pro. What's this one? Not. Way to go. How about what? Keep going. Let's shout out all. Fantastic. Try this tricky little key. Were. Nice. Now a little one. We. Great word. Here comes when. So good. Getting right near the end. Try your. Perfect. Just 2 left. Can. Amazing. And our very last magical key. Said. Wow, you are absolutely a super reader. You did it. Seriously, I want you to put your hand right up to the screen and give me a massive virtual high five. You just did something incredibly hard, and honestly, you did it brilliantly. And the number 40 brilliantly illustrates exactly what you've just accomplished. 40. You just practiced 40 of the most absolutely important words in the entire English language. Like, these aren't just any regular words. These are the foundational building blocks of almost every single story you will ever read. So, what's the big takeaway from this whole explainer? Well, every single time you see these words in your favorite books from now on, you can just shout them right out loud because you know exactly what they are. From now on, whenever you open up a treasure chest, and by that I mean a book, of course, you are going to see these magical keys absolutely everywhere. So keep pointing, keep practicing, and definitely keep having fun with it. What new magical words do you think you'll discover in your very next book? Go find out. Until next time, little learners.